This is a probability question, a really easy question, appeared as a 4-mark question in 2016. Let's read the question first. A number x is selected at random from the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another number y is selected at random from the numbers 1, 4, 9 and 16. What we need to compute is the probability that the product of x and y is less than 16. We're going to pick one number out of these 4 numbers. We can select that number in 4 ways. We're going to select another number from these 4 numbers. That can also be done in 4 ways. So how many total ways exist where we select a number from the first set and the second set? We'll have 4 into 4, a total of 16. All that we are going to be doing is we'll pick one from this, one from the second set, one from x, an x from the first set and a y from the second set. Multiply it. So we're going to be getting 16 values for the product. Not all of them need to be different, but we'll get 16 values. We'll list down those values. For sake of learning, I'm going to list it this way, but you don't need to do it in this fashion in the exam. If x is a 1, y could correspondingly be 1, 4, 9 and 16. So the product xy will be 1, 4, 9, 16. X could be a 2. For that, y could have taken 1, 4, 9, 16 values. In that case, the product is going to be 2, 8, 18 and 32. X could be a 3. Correspondingly, y will be 1, 4, 9 and 16. Therefore, xy will be 3, 12, 27 and 48. And lastly, x could be a 4 and the product correspondingly will be 4, 16, 36 and 64. Well, these are the 16 values that xy could take. Now, we need to check out how many of these products are less than 16. I'm going to put a tick mark against those which are less than 16. So that is 1, 4, 9. 16 is not less than 16. 2, 8. These numbers are not. 3, 12. And in this set, there is 4. So how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 values are less than 16. We need to compute the probability that the product is less than 16. The required probability for us is nothing but the number of outcomes, right? Number of outcomes where the product xy is less than 16 divided by total number of outcomes. How many outcomes do we have where the product is less than 16? 8 of these outcomes, the product is less than 16. How many total outcomes do we have? 16 total outcomes we have. So 8 by 16 or 1 by 2 is the required probability. Quickly summarize it in a printed form. These are the 8 values where the product is less than 16. Required probability is number of outcomes where the product is less than 16 divided by total number of outcomes. 8 for the numerator, 16 for the denominator. So final answer is equal to 1 by 2.